Hello, class. My name is Clint Griffith, and this is my presentation on population growth in Africa during the Cold War. Most of the events from the Cold War that affected Africa are seen in political, military, or what some might call power moves. These take front stage in the world's view because they mean drastic changes in governments, economies, or military strength. Building allies and moving real-life chess pieces across the continent seem very important to the grand picture when considering the Cold War and its implications for Africa. One of the underplayed implications of socio-economic disasters in Africa is the rapid population growth during the time. This plays even well into the aftermath of the Cold War as well. Amidst wars and massacres that happened during this time period, population spikes were not uncommon. Without an infrastructure to support rapid population growth or social systems to support the poor economy, you can see how widespread disease and famine could run rampant very fast. When there is population growth, the food supply or money incoming needs to also rise at an equivalent rate. The problem is when population rises faster than the ability to grow crops or outgrows the available fertile farmland to grow those crops, we see the social status decline drastically. Starvation, war, disease increase more than hospitals, social programs, if they even exist, or governments can resolve the issues. We can contrast this to early America, where urban areas during the industrial period increased in population inequality with the increase of technology and jobs. The money was incoming at a rate to support the population growth and to encourage more people to move from farms to cities. In Africa, we see the opposite. People still moved, but the jobs, industry, and economy did not exist to support those moves. Population growth rates and projections place Africa at double the current rate of growth for the rest of the world, according to Grid Arendal. Also, you can see that rate is estimated to grow rapidly over the next several decades. If Africa already has issues caused by population growth, we can only estimate those issues will expand as well. In an interview on Newsnight with South African Bishop Desmond Tutu and journalists Cameron Duodu and Richard Dowden, they discussed the long-lasting effects of the Cold War as it relates to a form of colonialism. Then they tie that together with decolonialism in the past 30 to 40 years. There was no support here to rebuild or save economic systems that colonialism seek to improve. Once they were gone, then we see a start from scratch type of government. The bigger question here is, now that we know how the Cold War affected population growth problems in Africa, what are the solutions? Africa is continuing to build their infrastructure, education system, and economy. This is a 40-year delay behind the fallout of the Cold War, though. So could we see population growth exceed the rate at which Africa can build? This seems to be the current picture in most of Africa that we see today. Thank you. Have a nice day.